In this video, I will show you how to extract a .tar.gz file into a different folder using the terminal in Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T together on your keyboard. Now, go to the folder where your tar file is. For example, if it's in the Downloads folder, type cd downloads and press Enter. Next, choose a folder where you want to extract the files. You can create a new folder by typing this command showing on the screen and replace the folder name of your choice, then press Enter. Now we will use the tar command to extract the file into that folder. Type this command showing on the screen: tar xvf example .tar.gz c tilde my folder. Replace example .tar.gz with the name of your file and my folder with your folder name. This command tells the computer to open the file and move all the contents into the folder you chose. Now go into that folder to check if the files are there. Type cd_my folder, then type ls. This will show all the files that were extracted. That's it. You have learned how to extract .tar.gz files into a specific folder using the terminal. Thank you for watching.